What coin is available on Newton? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered what coin is actually available on Newton? I mean, with so many cryptocurrencies out there, it can be a bit overwhelming. Let's dive in and uncover the hidden gems you might be missing on this popular exchange platform. Building context. Importance of Newton. Newton has been making waves in the crypto world for its user-friendly interface and wide range of cryptocurrencies. But what exactly does wide range mean? The crypto landscape. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap the crypto landscape. Think of it like a bustling marketplace, filled with thousands of different coins, each with its own unique features and potential. The Newton advantage. So, why is Newton a go-to platform for many crypto enthusiasts? It's all about accessibility and variety. Newton simplifies the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies, making it easier for both beginners and experienced traders to participate in the market. The crypto gems on Newton. Top-tier coins. Let's start with the big names. Newton offers a wide selection of well-known cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, the OG of cryptocurrencies, still dominating the market. Ethereum, ETH, the backbone of many decentralized applications. Ripple, XRP, known for its fast and efficient payment system. Cardano, ADA, a proof-of-stake blockchain with a focus on sustainability. Dogecoin, Doge, the meme coin that took the world by storm. Hidden gems, but the fun doesn't stop there. Newton also houses some lesser-known gems that could potentially yield significant returns. These include Polkadot, DOT, a multi-chain network that allows different blockchains to communicate and interact. Chainlink, Link, a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts. Solana, SOL, a high-performance blockchain with a focus on scalability. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates token swaps. Filecoin, FIL, a decentralized storage network that incentivizes users to store data. New listings. One of the great things about Newton is its commitment to staying up to date with the latest trends. They frequently add new cryptocurrencies to their platform, so be sure to check their website or app regularly for the most recent listings. Factors to consider. Market research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's essential to do your own research. Consider factors such as project fundamentals, understand the underlying technology and use case of the coin. Team and community, assess the experience and reputation of the development team, as well as the strength of the community. Market sentiment, pay attention to market trends and investor sentiment. Risk tolerance, remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. It's important to only invest an amount that you're comfortable losing. Conclusion. Recap. So, to recap, Newton offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, from well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging gems like Polkadot and Solana. Call to action. If you're looking to explore the world of cryptocurrencies, Newton is a great place to start. With its user-friendly interface and wide selection of coins, it's a platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. Final thought. Remember, the crypto market is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed and make informed decisions. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.